to my channel. If you are new, welcome. Thank you so much for joining me today. As you guys can tell by the title, I have a little sneak peek inside scoop for you guys. Basically, the Monkey app is no longer going to be an app. It's no longer going to be available. And there is a new app that is actually going to basically replacing it and is like a 2.0 better version of it. If you guys are interested in connecting with me a little bit more, you guys can follow me over on Instagram if you want. That's the only social media platform that I have. And I have been doing giveaways over there, and I will be doing a few more coming up. So if you want to be a part of that, or if you're interested, I will have my Instagram link down below. Also, if you are interested, I'm wearing these eyelashes from the Glam Emporium. These are their Bella lashes. So I will also have these linked down below if you're interested as well. If you guys aren't familiar with the Monkey app, basically it is an app where you can go on and talk to random people for like 10 to 15 seconds. I'm not sure if it's 10 seconds or 15, but it's like somewhere around there. And basically, if you guys want, you can add time so you can talk for longer, or you can like add them as a friend, message them. But it's kind of like a fun and random way to just meet new people or talk to different people or to just entertain yourself. And I also feel like it's so relevant right now with everything going on and everyone being stuck in the house, being bored, being lonely, being human interaction deprived. Even though, you know, obviously it's still just through your phone and it's through an app, it is a cool way to just meet new people and talk to new people, and to just have fun. Over a year ago, I started seeing a bunch of people doing Monkey app videos, doing like rate me 1 to 10, would you rather, different tags and challenges and just fun videos that were going viral, and I was seeing them all over YouTube. So a little over a year ago, I actually downloaded this app and decided to try it out for the first time. I recorded myself doing it and I posted a video. I'm gonna insert some footage right here to show you guys what my experience was like on the app. Hello. Hey guys. I'm filming a YouTube video. Can you guys rate me 1 to 10? Yo, this is hilarious. You guys, this is funny. Hello? What's up? Thank you. Can you guys do me a favor? Rate me 1 to 10. I'm doing it for a YouTube video.
10.
Really? Yeah, nice. I'm about to make myself look ugly and see if they still be like 10. Hello?
Hey, how you doing?
How are you doing? Do me a favor.
Doing good.
Rate me 1 to 10. I'm doing it for a YouTube video.
Okay. I'll give you a 10 because you got some pretty eyes.
These are my eyes. These are my eyes. He only gave me a 10 because my eyes are my eyes, y'all. That's crazy. My glasses on because they said they only gonna rate me 1 to 10. Cause my eyes is nice. Hey, how are you?
Good.
What's up? Can you do me a favor? Rate me 1 to 10. I'm doing a YouTube video.
I give you a 10.
Really? Thank you. I appreciate it. Thank you. Have a good day. Oh, man. Oh. Hello? No? Hello? No? Nah? Alright. Have a good day. I'm gonna see y'all later. What's up? How are you? What you up to? What you doing? I'm from New York. Ask some time. Ask some time. Damn. Dang. He tried to ask time. He was pressing dumb hard, y'all. Hello?
Hey, what's up?
What's up? How are you?
What's up? I'm good. How are you?
Good. Where you from?
I'm from Florida. How are you?
Oh, yeah? How's the weather out there? Good? Oh, he said it's terrible. This is fun, y'all. So as you guys can see, it was really fun. It was basically jokes and just really entertaining. I feel like everyone who's on there is just kind of bored and they're on the app to either entertain themselves, have fun, or meet new people. So it's kind of like funny and good vibes. Usually, you know, obviously you get those trolls and those negative hater people. And I'm not really one to do like the trending videos or like the comment tags or even to do like the rate me. Even though my first video I did ask people to rate me 1 to 10. I felt like it was a little awkward because I'm just like, you know, rate me 1 to 10. But to make the video a little bit more me, I ended up making a second video where I asked people to actually rate my outfits 1 to 10, because if you guys are subscribed to me, you guys know my channel is mostly like fashion and style based. So I did just switch it up a little bit and I put together like 4 outfits, and then I just asked 5 to 10 people to rate each outfit, and then I made that into a separate video. And I'm gonna insert some footage from that video to show you how that was as well. And then I have these shoes. They are from Basso. They're like chunky kind of shoes with the little straps. I don't know though if I should leave it in or if I should leave it out. I think I'm gonna leave it out. Okay guys, let's do this. Hello?
Hello, how you doing?
What's up, how are you? I don't know why I have... Can you do me a favor?
Rate 3 1 to 10, right?
No, can you rate my outfit? My outfit. Man, tried to add time, it didn't work. He said rate 1 to 10. Hi, how are you?
Hey, what's poppin', bless?
Oh, that's a lot. What's up? Can you do me a favor? Can you rate my outfit? Not rate me. Can you just rate my outfit 1 to 10?
That's big.
Nah, this is Adidas. You see, we got the Adidas. A 10?
That's just clean. Nice outfit.
Hey, what's up?
Damn, my God.
Quick question, guys. Can you rate my outfit 1 to 10? You can add time here. I'll add time.
I'm not even looking at you. I'm looking at you.
But can you just rate my outfit 1 to 10 real quick? It's just just calm.
I think you can make anything look good. So I'm gonna say
Okay, 10. What about you?
because you look so damn good.
Hello. What's up?
Hey.
Can you do me a big favor? Not rate me 1 to 10. Can you just rate my outfit 1 to 10?
That's 1 point.
Huh?
I'll give you that 9.
9? Thank you. What's up? How are you?
Look at all you. Where you from?
Good. I'm from New York. Can you guys do me a favor? Can you rate my outfit 1 to 10?
9.
9?
Yeah, give it a 9.
The 7 and a 9? And again, you guys can see that the app is just fun and like silly, and people's reactions are just random. Even I just was not expecting half of the conversations that I had, but they were really funny and fun, and I had fun filming the video. But unfortunately, the Monkey app is no longer going to be available, and it is no longer going to be an app. However, I do have an inside scoop on a new app that is replacing it, and it's basically going to be Monkey 2.0. I'm not sure if I'm actually allowed to tell you guys the name yet, but the new app is called Yee, and it basically is Monkey 2.0. It has the same features and concept as Monkey, but the app itself also has other features that can help you connect and meet people in different ways and interact with new people as well. So I will be doing a separate video actually trying out the Yee app for the first time and showing you guys what it's like. It's similar to my first Monkey video, but as you guys saw, in the first time I tried Monkey, I didn't really know like what to ask people or what to do. So leave comments down below and let me know what you guys want to see me try and do on the app when I do create that video. And also be sure to subscribe to my channel and turn the notification bell on so you'll be up to date when I post the video and sharing the Yee app with you guys and trying it out. The app is going to be available pretty soon. I'm pretty sure it's in like the next few weeks. So again, it's really perfect, I feel like, for everything going on right now. Everyone having to quarantine and stay inside, and you know, people are just getting bored. It definitely is perfect timing. So definitely stay tuned. YouTube is always playing with their algorithm and everything, so even if you're already subscribed, I would recommend unsubscribing, resubscribing, and repressing that notification bell so that you actually don't miss a video and you do get notified. I hope you guys are all doing well and staying safe and staying in a positive and good mindset during these times as well. I want to encourage you all to just take control of your space, your mental space, how you're viewing everything and where you are, and just really try to stay in a positive and faithful mindset. If you're getting bored, try new things, try completely different things than you ever tried before, and push yourself to learn something new or to just have fun and further explore what you already enjoy doing. But yeah guys, I love you guys so much, and I will see you all in my next one. Mwah. Bye guys.